Hi, my name is Dr. Claire Hollerley, and I'm here to talk to you today about the Sugar Glider Genetics Project. This is an initiative that I have started at the University of Canberra, Australia, and the Institute for Applied Ecology. Phase 1 of the Sugar Glider Genetics Project: Genetic Diversity and Origins of Domestic Sugar Gliders in the USA. Recent reports suggest that there are over 1.1 million sugar gliders kept domestically within the United States. Anecdotal reports suggest that the source of this population is Western Papua. However, the native range extends all the way from Western Papua through Papua New Guinea and the eastern coast of Australia all the way down to Tasmania. Our project hopes to use genetic techniques to determine the true source. Here in the Wildlife Genetics Lab, I'll be extracting DNA from tissue samples that have been contributed by members of the public who own sugar gliders. After we extract the DNA, then we amplify specific regions and look for variation in those areas. This genetic variation will tell the story of the arrival of sugar gliders to the United States. If the US population has been founded by a very small number of individuals, then there will be very low genetic variation. This scenario is referred to as a population bottleneck. Alternatively, if a large number of gliders were introduced, or if there had been regular and ongoing introductions, then genetic variation will be high. Genetic variation is like a fingerprint. Animals from different regions have different genetic fingerprints. By comparing sugar gliders from the United States to gliders from the native range, we will be able to match up the genetic fingerprints and determine where the US population has come from. Phase 1 of the Sugar Glider Genetics Project is currently underway, and we are now looking towards Phase 2. Phase 2 of the Sugar Glider Genetics Project: Discovery of coat colour and fur patterning genes. Since their introduction, there has been an explosion of different coat colour and pattern variations. These variations are likely to be controlled by changes in the genome, and with greater knowledge of these changes, breeders will be able to more accurately design their breeding programs. Ultimately, it is our intention to provide a testing service to breeders when we discover the genes responsible for coat colour. How can you be a part of the Sugar Glider Genetics Project? Contributing samples and making donations. There are two ways that you can contribute to Phase 2 of this research program. Firstly, with funding. Your donations can be made via our Sugar Glider Genetics funding website. Secondly, we will need samples from uniquely coloured sugar gliders for sequencing and gene discovery. We are appealing to you because without your contributions, this research will not be possible. I hope that you are as excited about this project as I am, and together we can increase our knowledge and raise the profile of this beautiful animal. For more information, please visit the project website. This will be regularly updated when new information is available.